Did you know you can get a powerful, feature-packed two-way radio for less than the price of a dinner out? Whether you're off the grid, on a mountain, or just prepping for emergencies, Baofeng Radios are crushing the game when it comes to value and performance. But with so many models out there, which one actually delivers the most bang for your buck? Stick around, we're ranking the top 5 Baofeng radios and revealing our ultimate winner at the end. You might be surprised. On number 5, Baofeng BF888S. The Baofeng BF888S two-way radios, pack of 2, are budget-friendly UHF transceivers designed for reliable short to mid-range communication, making them ideal for outdoor activities, event coordination, and small business operations. Each unit offers 16 programmable channels within the 400 to 470 MHz range, complemented by features like Vox, voice-activated transmission, a built-in flashlight, and an emergency alarm. With a typical range of 1 to 3 kilometers in urban settings and up to 5 kilometers in open areas, they provide dependable performance for various scenarios. The audio quality is notably clear, even in noisy environments, thanks to effective noise reduction capabilities. Constructed from durable polycarbonate, the radios are built to withstand everyday use, though they lack water resistance, which may limit their suitability in wet conditions. Ease of use is a standout feature. Despite the absence of a display or keypad, the BF888S is straightforward to operate once programmed via a computer using the appropriate software and cable. On number 4, Baofeng UV82. The Baofeng UV82 high-power ham radio, 2-pack, is a versatile and affordable dual-band handheld transceiver designed for amateur radio enthusiasts, outdoor adventurers, and professionals requiring reliable communication tools. Operating on both VHF and UHF frequencies, it offers 128 programmable channels, Vox hands-free operation, dual watch functionality, and a built-in LED flashlight, all compliant with FCC regulations, FCC ID 2AJGM UV82. A standout feature is its dual push-to-talk (PTT) button, allowing users to transmit on 2 frequencies without switching channels, enhancing operational efficiency. The package includes a comprehensive accessory kit, 2,800 mAh batteries providing up to 48 hours of use, a programming cable compatible with Chirp software, handheld speaker mics, earpieces, and belt clips, offering excellent value for money. In real-world scenarios, the UV82 delivers clear audio quality and dependable range, especially in open areas. On number 3, Baofeng DM1701. The Baofeng DM1701 is a dual-band DMR/analog handheld radio offering a robust feature set tailored for amateur radio enthusiasts and professionals seeking a versatile communication device. Supporting both VHF, 136 to 174 MHz, and UHF, 400 to 470 MHz, frequencies, it provides up to 3,000 programmable channels, 10,000 talk groups, and 120,000 contacts, accommodating complex communication needs. The inclusion of direct mode operation, DMO, with true dual time slot capability allows simultaneous 2-group calls on a single frequency, enhancing efficiency and conserving frequency resources. The 1.77-inch color TFT display offers clear visibility, and the device features 5 customizable keys for quick access to frequently used functions. Additional functionalities include manual programming, DTMF, VFO, SMS, emergency alarm, digital monitor mode, CTCSS/CDCSS, color codes, and DMR encryption. The radio is compatible with OpenGD77 firmware, providing users with enhanced customization options. In practical scenarios, the DM1701 delivers clear audio quality and reliable performance, with a communication range of up to 3 to 10 kilometers, 1.8 to 6.2 miles, under typical conditions. On number 2, Baofeng BFF8HP Pro. The Baofeng BFF8HP Pro, UV5 or 7th Gen, is a significant upgrade in the Baofeng lineup, offering a blend of power, versatility, and modern features tailored for amateur radio enthusiasts and professionals alike. Operating on VHF, 136 to 174 MHz, UHF, 400 to 520 MHz, and the 1.25 m, 220 to 225 MHz, bands, it delivers up to 8 watts on VHF/UHF and 5 watts on 1.25 m, ensuring robust communication across various frequencies. The inclusion of GPS functionality allows for location tracking and sharing, enhancing coordination during outdoor activities. Additionally, the NOAA weather mode provides real-time alerts, a valuable feature for those in areas prone to severe weather. The radio's IP54 rating ensures resistance to dust and splashes, making it suitable for rugged environments. With 1,000 programmable channels and customizable zone management, users can efficiently organize their communications. On number 1, Baofeng UV9G GMRS. The Baofeng UV9G GMRS radio is a rugged, feature-rich two-way radio designed for outdoor enthusiasts, emergency preparedness, and general communication needs. Operating on GMRS frequencies, 462.5500 to 467.7250 MHz, it comes pre-programmed with 30 GMRS channels, 11 NOAA weather channels, and 87 scanner channels, offering comprehensive coverage for various scenarios. Built with an IP67 waterproof rating, the UV9G can withstand submersion in up to 1 meter of water for 30 minutes, making it suitable for activities like camping, hiking, and fishing. Its durable construction includes a metal interior, screw-down attachments, and rubberized accessory port covers, ensuring reliability in harsh environments. The radio features a tricolor LCD display, backlit keyboard, and an SOS flashlight capable of signaling Morse code, enhancing usability in low-light conditions. The 1,800 mAh battery, combined with a 5-level power-save feature, provides extended standby time, while Vox hands-free calling adds convenience. In real-world usage, the UV9G offers reliable performance, though some users have noted that its actual transmission power averages around 3 watts, despite a 5-watt claim. In conclusion, Baofeng radios offer an excellent balance of affordability, functionality, and reliability, making them a top choice for both beginners and seasoned radio enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a versatile two-way radio for outdoor adventures, emergency preparedness, or just casual communication, Baofeng provides a wide range of models to suit various needs. From the compact UV5R to the feature-packed UV82, these radios consistently deliver solid performance, long battery life, and strong signal reception. With their impressive list of features and budget-friendly prices, Baofeng radios remain a popular option for anyone seeking reliable communication without breaking the bank. Always ensure that you choose the model that fits your specific requirements, and remember to check local regulations for legal use in your area.